La palat shi te yo ki Nongtrei ka 108 ki la ploy ke je ki bandawa na ka sarkar jalla bagade ban shimti no ya kani katna trei kam habai krem ikla bthai khubor Myntri katna ka koi ka Khiah James ke sangma ulong baya ka jing shakri ka 108 jupan ya da ka sarkar ha ka no ka banda jongkari hele la panya be da ki ken hon chimen kumtaw la Kyntu ye kini ki Nongtrei jo ka 108 ban Leit Phai Noh shala ki jong ki kam ki jam namal kalakta shiboni ki pajba ya ka bamenta uang ba ka sarkar kadang pej penya ya kani ki jingdwa jong ki bat ba on sakhat tender da ka bathamai ban shimti ya ka jing shakri jong kani ka tra trei kam
We have already met the association and we have told them that this is an emergency service and this is something which affects lives of people who may have certain medical emergencies and may need the services of the ambulance and to have an agitation like this is very unfortunate, and we have to express this to them that they must cease this kind of agitation immediately and come back to work. And their demands, we have heard them, and we have also conveyed to them that look, there is no state in the country that runs the 108 emergency medical response system by the government. There's no state in the country. All of them have been outsourced to private parties, and even in the state of Meghalaya, this has been going on for the past so many years, where GVK has been running this 108 services. However, due to to many reasons, we have done an audit wherein we have found out that there have been many lapses and in terms of the performance, it has not been up to the mark, and we are going for a fresh bid wherein we want to seek and see where we can get a better player to come and operate the 108 services. And this has also been one of the demands of the association, for which we have gone ahead and we have got a tender, and it is going to happen very soon. But unfortunately, the association wants to continue and knowing fully well that there is no state in the country which or state government in the country which is running 108 services, because it is a service which requires 24/7 attention, and this is of a nature which involves emergencies. So therefore, these kind of services are best operated, as has been seen in the entire country, by operators who are well versed and experienced in this. And that is the reason why we are also going for a fresh tender, wherein we would be engaging new agency or company to run these services. So it's unfortunate that the association is doing such things. And once again, I would like to say that they must cease this, that this is an emergency service, and God forbid something happens, then the responsibility will fairly and squarely fall on this association for this any kind of unfortunate, if anything unfortunate were to happen.